So I want to give you one practical example of a wonderful technology, life-saving technology that really benefited from the use of storyboarding to improve it. Now, this is a large company example. Um, I've done a lot of work with startups and large companies. The same tactics apply to large companies that apply to startups. And I really, really love this example because it encapsulates how technology isn't always the answer. It's often something much, much simpler. So GE was putting out some new MRI machines. Obviously, GE was very, very good at technology. You probably have possibly been in one of these in your life. I've been in one a couple times. It is a big piece of technology that is a life-saving piece of technology. But when GE really wanted to help improve the value of this product, what they did is they went back to the basics. They didn't say, like, how can we make the resolution of this camera better? How can we make it operate faster? Because sometimes you got to sit in this thing for 45 minutes. What they said was, where are the places where MRIs are not delivering the value that they are intended to do? And it turns out that MRI machines were having distinct problems delivering value in children's hospitals. In particular, when you start trying to put people like Sophia here, who's 6.5 years old, into an MRI machine, Sophia tends to have some issues. Um, so what they did was they took a prototypical kid, Sophia here, and they started looking at how real kids behaved and interacted with an MRI machine. And in this case, Sophia is just an example. It's a persona, a representation of a group of people that are children that have to go and have an MRI. And what they did is they just observed those children and said, well, where are the problems uh, with using an MRI machine? Because they noticed that these MRI machines that are used in children's hospitals were getting far fewer uses per day than the adult MRI machines. And that was a big problem for these MRIs because they're very expensive. And if hospitals can't get the value out of them by getting as many people through the MRI as possible, they're not going to be able to afford them. So they said, well, why aren't children getting as much use out of this MRI as possible? There are a lot of children that need an MRI. So why is it they're only getting maybe 12 children per day through the MRI machine instead of 24 adults? And